Hey guys, this is Harshitha and welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna see the recipe of drums of heaven. Check the description box for the ingredients. Now without further ado, let's get started. Take a mixing bowl, add about 2 spoons of soya sauce, about 1 spoon of red chilli sauce, about 1 spoon of green chilli sauce, one spoon of vinegar. If you don't have vinegar, you can use lemon juice. Add about 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste, 1/4 spoon of salt, 1/4 spoon of chili powder, about 1/4 spoon of Ajinomoto or tasting salt. This is totally optional. It's not harmful if you consume it in a small quantity. Now mix everything well. Now here I have about 300 grams of chicken lollipop. I've washed it well with some water and I'm gonna add it in. To this, add 1 egg. Now mix everything well. Now close it and leave it to marinate in the refrigerator for a minimum of 30 minutes. Now to the marinated chicken, I'm gonna add about 2 spoons of Maida, 3 spoons of cornflour, about 1/4 spoon of chili powder. Now coat everything well with the mixture. Now this step is gonna make your chicken lollipop crispy, so make sure you coat everything well. Heat some oil for deep fry and add in the chicken pieces slowly. Cook it on low to medium flame. Do not cook it on high flame because it might not get cooked on the inside. Now fry until it completely cooks and until it turns brown. It should look something like this. Now repeat the same with the rest. Now instead of wasting the batter, I am just going to pour it on top of the pieces. Don't cook it on high flame. This is very important. Cook it on low to medium flame. Now in a pan, add some oil. I've used the same oil. Add about 10 to 15 cloves of finely chopped garlic. Saute until it turns brown and aromatic. Now add about half a cup of onion, that is a 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped. Saute it for about a minute. Now to this I'm going to add about 2 spoons of soya sauce. About 2 spoons of red chilli sauce. 1 spoon of tomato ketchup, and saute this for about 15 seconds. Now add about 1/4 glass of water. Do not add more. Now when it starts boiling, I'm gonna add in some cornflour slurry, that is a mixture of 1 spoon of cornflour and 3 spoons of water. Now keep mixing and it starts to thicken. Now you can see it's thick and glossy. Now add some salt as per your requirement. Now add the fried chicken pieces. Now give everything a good mix. Now I'm adding about half a spoon of chili powder. You can add as per your requirement. Now I didn't have spring onion at home, so I added some finely chopped coriander leaves. Now give it a good mix. That's it guys, you must try this yummy drums of heaven at home and it truly tastes heavenly. And don't forget to comment down below. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to hit the bell button. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.